Have you ever spent hours scrolling through TikTok or Instagram only to suddenly realize that time has slipped away without you learning or doing anything meaningful? Have you noticed that your focus has decreased or that you feel mentally exhausted even without physical effort? If the answer is yes, you're not alone. In this video, we'll talk about a phenomenon called brain rot and how these platforms are slowly destroying your mind. But don't worry. By the end, we'll give you practical tips to avoid this negative impact and reclaim your focus and mental health. Brain rot is an informal term that describes the negative impact of over-consuming fast, shallow content on your brain. Think of your brain as a muscle. If you use it incorrectly or neglect it, it weakens and deteriorates. The same thing happens to your brain when you spend hours watching short, repetitive clips. Reduced focus. Your brain gets used to quick information bites without deep thinking, making it harder to focus on long or complex tasks. Decreased creativity. Instead of generating new ideas, your brain becomes reliant on pre-made content. Mental fatigue. You feel tired even without physical exertion because your brain is overworked, processing rapid information. Dopamine effect. Every clip gives you a quick hit of dopamine, the happiness hormone, making you crave more in an endless loop. TikTok, Instagram, and other platforms rely on algorithms designed to keep you hooked for as long as possible. These algorithms know exactly what grabs your attention and serve you content that makes it hard to stop. Here's how these platforms harm your brain. Fast, repetitive content. Your brain gets used to quick information bites, reducing your ability to focus for long periods. Dopamine addiction. Every clip gives you a quick dopamine hit, making you crave more. It's like a sugar addiction. The more you consume, the more you want. Social comparison. Watching others' seemingly perfect lives can make you feel dissatisfied with your own. Reduced critical thinking. Fast content doesn't encourage deep thinking or analysis. Your brain becomes accustomed to consuming information without critical thought. The good news is that you can protect your brain from this negative impact. Here are some practical tips. Reduce screen time. Set a specific time limit for using TikTok or Instagram, and use apps like Screen Time to track your usage. Replace fast content with meaningful content. Watch educational videos or read books instead of mindlessly scrolling. Engage in mental activities. Activities like reading, solving puzzles, or learning new skills stimulate your brain and rebuild your focus. Take breaks. Step away from screens and engage in physical or social activities. Even a 10-minute walk can recharge your mental energy. Use control tools. Block distracting websites or turn off notifications. These tools help reduce temptations. Personally, I've struggled with brain rot. I used to spend hours scrolling through TikTok and Instagram, and I noticed my focus deteriorating day by day. But when I decided to reduce my screen time and focus on meaningful activities, I saw a huge improvement in my concentration and mental health. Share in the comments. Have you experienced brain rot? What steps have you taken to improve your focus? In the end, your brain is your most valuable asset. Don't let it rot from overusing technology. Try the tips we've shared in this video and let us know your experiences in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more meaningful content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.